Hello everyone, welcome back to the science class. Children, you must have watched the introductory video about force. From that, we are now clear that force is push or pull acting on an object. An interaction between two objects results in force between two objects. We use force in a variety of ways in our daily actions like pushing, pulling, lifting, stretching, twisting, cutting, etc. Even while walking, running, standing, writing, we apply force. In some cases, we actually touch an object to apply force. In other cases, we apply force without touching the object. Based on this fact, we have two types of forces: contact forces and non-contact forces. Here you can see a man crushing the can, a boy drawing with pencil, a man carrying a box, another one pushing a chair, yet another one is pulling a chair. And in the last picture you can see the goalkeeper catching the ball. In all these cases, they need to actually touch the object to apply force. Means physical contact is necessary. From this, let us now define contact force. A force that acts on an object by direct or indirect physical contact is called contact force. Contact forces are again categorized into two: applied force and friction. Applied force. The force that we apply directly or indirectly with our hands, legs, fingers, etc. is referred to as applied force. We apply such force to open and close things like bottles, lunch boxes, books, doors, etc. This is a very common force. We are doing this in daily life. When we cut or break or tear things, then also we are actually using applied force. Here we are using the force of our muscles. So this is also called muscular force, like pushing a chair or pushing a table or something. Here you can see a man pulling the table. In this case, he is using this kind of force, that is contact force. The second type of contact force is friction. Children, when we roll a ball or on any surface, after some time it comes to rest. And we know that from effects of force, that force can stop a moving object. This means that some force is required to stop the moving ball. But here, we are not applying any force. It has stopped on its own. The ball has stopped on its own. This cannot occur in absence of a force. So, there must be some force opposing the motion of the ball, which made the ball slow down and stop ultimately. This force is acting between the surface of the ball and the ground. Such a force is called friction. A force which always opposes the motion of one body over another is called friction, or force that offers resistance when two surfaces are in contact is called friction. We will study friction in detail in the second part of the chapter. Friction comes into play when two surfaces are in contact. This means that friction occurs only when two surfaces are in contact. So, friction is also a contact force. In the next video, we shall discuss about non-contact forces. Till then, stay safe, keep learning. Thank you.